Bitcoin is the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency in the world, but it can also be a complex and risky one for newcomers. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get started with Bitcoin without losing your hard-earned money. 1. Choosing a reputable and secure platform. The first step to buying or selling Bitcoin is to choose a platform that allows you to do so. Therefore, you need to do your research before trusting any platform with your money or personal information. 2. Choose a secure and compatible wallet. The second step to buying or selling Bitcoin is to use a wallet that allows you to store and manage your funds. A wallet is a software or hardware device that generates and stores your private keys, secret codes that allow you to access your funds, and public addresses, identifiers that allow you to receive funds. There are many types of wallets available, such as web wallets, mobile wallets, desktop wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Choose a wallet that is compatible with the platform you use to buy or sell Bitcoin. Choose a wallet that is secure and reputable. Choose a wallet that gives you full control over your keys. Choose a wallet that suits your level of experience and convenience. 3. Follow the basic security practices. The third step to buying or selling Bitcoin is to follow some basic security practices that will help you protect your funds and data from hackers, scammers, and thieves. Use strong and unique passwords for your accounts and devices. Enable 2FA for your accounts and devices. Keep your devices and software updated and protected. Back up your keys and data. Be careful with phishing. This is a type of attack where hackers impersonate legitimate platforms or services to trick you into revealing your personal information or funds. 4. Learn the basics of Bitcoin trading. The fourth step to buying or selling Bitcoin is to learn some basic concepts and strategies of Bitcoin trading. Trading is the act of buying and selling Bitcoin at different prices to make a profit. Trading can be done for various reasons, such as speculation, hedging, arbitrage, or diversification. Trading can be rewarding and profitable, but it can also be risky and stressful. Therefore, you need to have some knowledge and skills before you start trading Bitcoin. There are many types of trading depending on the time frame, frequency, style, and strategy involved. For example, day trading, buying and selling Bitcoin within the same day. This is for traders who like fast action and don't mind staying glued to their screens. Swing trading, buying and selling Bitcoin over several days or weeks. This is for traders who like to catch the big waves and don't mind riding their ups and downs. Position trading, buying and holding Bitcoin for months or years. This is for traders who believe in the long-term potential of Bitcoin and don't mind weathering the storms. Scalping, buying and selling Bitcoin quickly within minutes or hours. This is for traders who like to make small profits from small price movements and don't mind paying high fees. Trend trading, following the direction of the market movement. This is for traders who like to go with the flow and don't mind missing out on some opportunities. Counter trend trading, going against the direction of the market movement. This is for traders who like to challenge the status quo and don't mind taking more risks. Range trading, buying and selling Bitcoin within a specific price range. This is for traders who like to exploit the market volatility and don't mind being patient. There are many types of indicators that traders use to measure various aspects of the market, such as price direction, momentum, volatility, trend strength, etc. Some of the most common indicators are moving averages, lines that show the average price of Bitcoin over a certain period of time. They help identify trends and support and resistance levels. Relative Strength Index, a number that shows how overbought or oversold Bitcoin is based on its recent price changes. It ranges from 0 to 100, with values above 70 indicating overbought conditions and values below 30 indicating oversold conditions. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a pair of lines that show the difference between two moving averages of different lengths. They help identify trend changes and momentum shifts. Bollinger Bands, a pair of bands that show the standard deviation of the price from a moving average. They help measure volatility and identify potential breakouts or reversals. There are many types of strategies that traders use to execute their trades based on their analysis, goals, risk appetite, etc. Some of the most common strategies are buy low, sell high, a simple strategy that involves buying Bitcoin when it is cheap and selling it when it is expensive. This strategy requires patience and timing, as well as a clear exit plan. Buy the dip, a strategy that involves buying Bitcoin when it drops in price, expecting it to bounce back. Sell the rally, a strategy that involves selling Bitcoin when it rises in price, expecting it to drop back. Breakout trading, a strategy that involves buying or selling Bitcoin when it breaks out of a price range or a trend line. Swing trading, a strategy that involves buying or selling Bitcoin based on the swings of the market. 5. Having a realistic and cautious attitude. The fifth and final step to buying or selling Bitcoin is to have a realistic and cautious attitude when trading Bitcoin. Trading can be exciting and rewarding, but it can also be stressful and frustrating. Therefore, you need to have a healthy mindset and attitude that will help you cope with the challenges and risks of trading. Set realistic goals and expectations. Do not expect to become rich overnight or to win every trade. Manage your risk and money. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose or more than you are comfortable with. Educate yourself and stay updated. Do not trade based on rumors, tips, or hunches. Do your own research and analysis before entering or exiting a trade. Have fun, but be careful. Do not treat trading as a game or a hobby. Treat it as a serious business that requires discipline, dedication, and professionalism. We hope this video has helped you understand how to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin safely and securely. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below.